How to deposit money in Rainbet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money in Rainbet. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to rainbet.com and log into your account. And then you're going to do is simply click on this wallet icon that is in green color at the top. So once you do so, you'll be able to see a window pop up in front of you. So in order to deposit money into your wallet, you're going to simply click on deposit over here and you can redeem an affiliate code if you have any. And then you're going to select your banking, whether you can choose between Interac and Pix. So let us just click on Pix over here. And once you do so, you'll be able to see the Pix being loaded in front of you. So just wait for it to get loaded. And here you're going to type down the amount of BRL, your first name, last name, and CPF. So once you do so, the next thing that you're going to do is select your crypto. So you can select BTC, Ethereum, USDT, LTC, Solana, TRX, TON, BNB, and all crypto. So let us just go click on BTC, and this is basically you'll be able to see your wallet address displayed over here. So you can simply copy your wallet address, or you can scan your wallet address code from any of the other device. And if you don't have any crypto, then there's no problem. You can buy cryptocurrency using your Visa card, MasterCard, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. So it is powered by MoonPay and it is really reliable. You can simply deposit crypto within your account using these options. So that is basically how you can deposit money in Rainbet. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.